the places and beyond the National Hockey League. Let's go down to business with the top 10 NHL Goldhorns. Let's go. Number 10, Edmonton Oilers. And it's the Oilers Day. Okay, so the reason why I like that Goldhorn, it's because it sounds like an original one. Let's see for Chicago Blackhawks. And besides, it's like it's like a train. Let's go. And it's loading. Okay, let's see. Let's see what will happen next. Okay, I'll just redo it. Okay. Okay. Sounds like an original Goldhorn. This is why I like this Goldhorn. Number 8, Winnipeg Jets. Reason why I like this Goldhorn, it sounds like a train. Number 6, the Montreal Canadiens. Sorry. The reason why I like this Goldhorn, sounds great. Great as gloriness. Woo! This is the Goldhorn. This is the team that has been serving for 100 years. That's going to be part of. Number 5, the Minnesota Wild. Okay, number 4, Washington Capitals. Okay, that was our number 4 pick. Okay, number 3, New York Islanders. Usually there has been a team from the ECHL that has been called the okay, never mind. Okay, so number 2, Dallas Stars. "25 years for this Goldhorn, for this team." The reason I like this one is it sounds like an original one. Okay, so what I was about to say, there has been a team from the ECHL that has been called Rough and Ready Islanders. Woohoo, Islanders. Okay, before we reveal our number 1 top pick, here's some honorable mentions. Part of our honorable mentions, the Montreal Cardinals. It's serving for its 100th year. Congratulations to the Montreal Canadiens for their 100th year of the NHL. Congratulations. Okay, here's another honorable mention. New York Islanders song. Okay, so, and we also have another team, but has been not here anymore. That has an honorable mention called the California Golden Seals. Since this team has been great for the seasons, I really like that team. I'll give this one a thumbs up. Okay, so let's see here. To reveal our top pick, it's number 1, our top pick, the Calgary Flames. And And its song is Monster Truck. Where is this song? It's actually right on my fire, huh? Love this golf horn. It sounds like it's like the same thing of the Stockton Heat. Oh yeah, like come on, Stockton, let's go. Okay, then this is gonna be updated in 3, 2, 1. Goodbye and have a nice day.